Completing your setup on Lyft after signing up is essential to start earning and driving. Follow these steps to ensure you have everything ready. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Lyft. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your account and activate your profile. Step 2. Download the Lyft app. Go to your device's app store and download the Lyft app. Once installed, open the app and log in using the credentials you created during signup. Step 3. Set up your profile. In the app, navigate to the profile section. Fill in your personal details, including your phone number, address, and payment information. Make sure all information is accurate for a smooth experience. Step 4. Upload required documents. Access the driver section of the app and upload necessary documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. Ensure that all documents meet Lyft requirements. Step 5. Complete background check. After submitting your documents, Lyft will conduct a background check. This process may take a few days. You will receive a notification once it is complete, and you can start driving. Now that you've completed the setup process, you're ready to hit the road with Lyft. Enjoy your driving experience.